Hello everyone, welcome to Food Pros channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to make banana blossom fritters. There is a saying in South India, every part of a banana tree has a medical use. This is the flower from the banana tree, a purple teardrop-shaped flower, enriched with antioxidants and especially very healthy for women. These are the things that you need to make these fritters. You can get this banana flower in any Indian store or any Asian store in the United States. Into a large bowl, add half a cup of tur dal and half a cup of chana dal. Add water until these dals are completely covered and let them soak for 2 hours and not more than them. Meantime, let's start the grinding process. I'm taking 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 5 green chilies, few curry leaves and 5 to 7 garlic pods. Let's start cleaning the banana flower, but before that take a plate and add some water because banana flowers, when they are open to air, they oxidize very easily. There are 2 steps to be followed every time you clean the banana florets. That is removing the calyx and the pistil. But make sure before you start the cleaning process, apply some oil onto your palms and to your fingers because banana flowers may leave some black tint in between your nail beds. As you can see, I am rubbing the florets first on my palm and then I'm starting to open up the calyx and the pistil. The freeze frame will show you the clear look of the pistil and the calyx. The reason why I'm stressing to remove the calyx and the pistil is to remove the bitterness from the florets. When my mom was in my age, she used to tell me that she and her other friends, they sit in a group, they talk, and then they clean these banana flowers and they have no idea how time flies. They start in the afternoon and then they finish by in the evening for their late evening snack. This is a time-consuming process, but the end result will pay for it. These banana flowers can be consumed by diabetic patients to control their blood sugars or the lactating moms to increase your milk supply. And that's the last batch of cleaning the banana blossoms and we are done. Let's start the grinding process. Into a mixing jar, start adding the garlic pods, green chilies, fennel seeds and the cumin seeds so that they are evenly scattered into our fritter batter. Once they are ground, start adding the soaked dal. Make sure there are no water, just drain the dal and then add it to our mixer jar. Make sure you are not overcrowding the mixer jar because we are not adding any water, so we need air to incorporate all the pulses and the spices. You can see the ground paste right now. There are dals sneaking out here and there and there are ground paste as well. This will give you the crispy and crunchy texture for our fritters. I'm done grinding. I'm transferring it to a white bowl. Let's add curry leaves, finely chopped onions and finely chopped the banana blossoms. Finally, add salt to taste and then mix the batter well. Make sure the salt is completely incorporated. I'm making into a small lime-sized ball for even cooking. Let's start the frying process. I'm just adding 1 onion to see whether the oil is heated up. It's fine, and let's start frying. Place the lemon-sized ball inside your fingers, press them gently and then drop them in the oil carefully. Make sure you don't overcrowd the oil, otherwise our fritters will start absorbing more oil and it will become soggy. I'm adding up to 5 fritters for every batch so that they come crispy and golden. Make sure they're cooking on both sides evenly. Transfer these fritters into a paper towel once they are done. The final and the most important health benefit of consuming the banana flowers are for women. In case if you have any problems with your menstrual cycle, you may consume it once a week so that it may get better. Look at our perfectly cooked fritters. I'm gonna finish up frying the leftover batters and then let's see how it comes. You don't need any side dishes for these fritters because these taste amazing by themselves. This is my final batch and look how crunchy they are. There is no snack in our house without hot coffee. We are absolute coffee lovers. Look at our perfectly cooked fritters. They look beautiful inside, they smell amazing and they taste fantastic. I hope you all loved this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Food Pros channel. I'll see you all in another video. Until then, bye from Archana. Take care.